you go, here's our highest milk solid cows, 74. 3 kg solid a day, jeepers, she's not one that we think should do that. 187, 85, yeah, good girls, 241. They're all nice cows there. I know most of them already anyway. That's one of the oldest cows in the herd there, 42. Awesome, they go really well. Good to hear. Last production worth. So those are cows that didn't cut the mustard. Probably will not cut the mustard. And these are the number of herds in South Auckland. Average herd size has dropped back a bit actually. And our herd's 255 cows. Litres, average milk fat, average protein, average solids. And that's the national herd average versus our area for production worth and BW.